How to decide when to replace, repair, or patch your roof. If your roof is showing wear and tear, it's time to do something about it. After all, your roof plays a big part in your home. It helps maintain energy efficiency, protects your family from the elements, and much more. The million-dollar question is, should you patch, repair, or replace your roof if you notice problems? Both roof repair and patching are cheaper than full roof replacement up front. And if your roof has only a small issue, these solutions may be all you need. But guess what? If your roof has deteriorating shingles, visible holes, or is more than a few decades old, replacement is actually going to be less expensive in the long run. It's true. Repairing or patching a roof that has these problems is a temporary fix, and those constant cheap quick fixes swiftly add up to big dollars. That's why a new roof is a superior value. You increase your home's efficiency, curb appeal, and value. And if it's a quality roof, you won't need repairs for a long time. Want to know whether you need roof repair, patching, or replacement? Call Clemens Home Solutions at 765-358-7535 for a free inspection.